Hello, Jennifer here from Jennifer Baker Consulting, Simplifying Social Media. So I'm doing a little bit of an update video with respect to team members and Facebook pages. I do have an existing video up on YouTube right now. It's about 2 years old and I'm getting a lot of questions. People seem to be having a few more troubles with adding those team members. So here I am on my Facebook page. And you can see up at the top, I've got add yourself to a team, which, that's the very easy way to do it. So I'm just going to close this right now. So this is probably what you're seeing on your Facebook page. So if you don't see that add yourself to a team, you're going to actually go down to where it says about, and the about is on the left-hand side in that navigation menu. So you'll click about. And this is where people often get a little bit lost on their way. So they generally click on about, and then once they get there, they're not quite sure where to go. So once the about screen comes up, you're going to scroll down the page about halfway, and it's going to be under this about. It's called story. So some of you may have updated this, some of you may not, but you can add a little bit of a story here. And underneath that is where you can add your team members. So to add a team member, the individual must be an administrator on your page. So it can't just be anybody. It can't be your dog or your cat or just somebody who maybe helps out occasionally. They must be an administrator on your page. Now, I simply added team member. If I want to remove, I can click remove. And now this notice screen comes up. So it says, remember, this person is still an admin on your page. So I'll say okay. And that's how you remove. So you can say add yourself as a team member. And it's basically saying, I am Jennifer and I want to add myself as a team member. So it's you that has to go in and add yourself as a team member. So you can't go and add your colleagues or coworkers or other admins. You need to be an admin of the page to be able to do this. Now, once you do that, it will show up on your personal profile saying that you do manage a page, and it does manage this page here. So hopefully that answers some of your questions related to team members. If you have any other questions, certainly send me an email, as many of you have, or if you have other requests, send me an email and let me know what you're looking for. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.